Today, I am reviewing the GEEKOM A5 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. From the first boot, the system feels fast and confident. The AMD Ryzen 5 7430U delivers the kind of responsiveness you immediately notice in real-world use. Everyday tasks like browsing with dozens of tabs, running office applications, handling video calls, and multitasking across multiple programs feel smooth and uninterrupted. There's no sense that the system is constantly on the edge of its limits. Instead, it feels like it has enough headroom to stay comfortable even when workloads stack up. For a compact desktop, that sense of breathing room is important, and the A5 manages it well. What really makes the performance feel consistent is the combination of the processor with 16 GB of standard RAM and a fast NVMe SSD. Applications launch quickly, the system boots in seconds, and switching between tasks feels natural rather than forced. The fact that the RAM is not soldered adds a lot of long-term value. Knowing you can upgrade memory later if your needs grow makes this mini PC feel like a proper investment rather than something you'll need to replace prematurely. The same applies to storage. The included 512GB NVMe drive is fast and responsive, but having multiple expansion options means you're not boxed in. Over time, that flexibility becomes one of the most reassuring aspects of owning this machine. In daily use, the graphics performance is exactly what you'd hope for from a system like this. The Radeon Vega graphics handle multiple high-resolution displays with ease, and running several monitors at once feels smooth and stable. Productivity workflows really benefit from this, especially when juggling documents, browsers, and creative tools at the same time. Video playback is crisp and fluid, and even light creative work like photo editing feels comfortable. For casual or esports-style gaming, performance is respectable as long as expectations are realistic. It's not a gaming powerhouse, but it doesn't pretend to be one either, which is refreshing. One of the most impressive things about the GEEKOM A5 is how well it manages thermals and noise. Even during extended workloads, the system stays composed. The cooling solution does its job quietly, without sudden fan spikes or distracting noise. In a home office or shared workspace, that makes a real difference. You can focus on your work without being constantly reminded that a computer is working hard nearby. This quiet confidence is something many compact PCs struggle with, but the A5 handles it gracefully. Build quality is another area where this mini PC feels thoughtfully designed. Despite its small footprint, it feels solid and durable. There's a sense that the materials and internal structure were chosen for long-term use rather than cost-cutting. It doesn't feel flimsy or delicate, and the compact metal chassis gives it a premium, purposeful feel. It's small enough to disappear behind a monitor or fit neatly on a desk, yet sturdy enough that you don't worry about everyday handling. Connectivity is abundant and practical. Having multiple USB ports, modern wireless support, and easy access to external storage makes the system feel versatile rather than limited. Wi-Fi performance is stable and fast, even during video calls and large file transfers, and Bluetooth connectivity is reliable with peripherals like keyboards, mice, and headphones. Everything works as expected, which sounds simple, but is exactly what you want from a daily use machine. What really adds peace of mind is the long warranty and overall support approach. A 3-year warranty is not common in this category, and it signals confidence in the product's durability. Over time, that assurance becomes just as valuable as raw performance, especially if you're relying on the system for work or business tasks. It feels like a product designed to last, not just to impress on day one. After spending significant time with the GEEKOM A5, it feels less like a compromise and more like a smart alternative to a traditional desktop. It delivers strong everyday performance, excellent multitasking, quiet operation, and meaningful upgrade flexibility, all in a compact form that fits almost anywhere. It doesn't chase flashy features or exaggerated claims. Instead, it focuses on being reliable, adaptable, and genuinely pleasant to use over the long term. For anyone looking for a mini PC that can handle real work without drama, the A5 proves itself to be a dependable and thoughtfully engineered choice.